Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how you guys can apply for Medina University scholarships. First, you have to visit this website. I have given link of this website in description of this video. There are two options. If we look into the top of the screen, we can see two options: apply for online mode and apply on campus mode. We want to study on campus, that's why we will select on campus mode. After that, we have to fill up this form step by step. On campus mode here means that you want to study all your course on campus. You want to go to Saudi Arabia and study your course in the university. In the first line, are you a Malaysian? No, we're not a Malaysian. Intake, you have to select September 2025 intake. You want to do a full-time degree or a part-time degree. And the next, you have to select your academic level, which level you want to study in the university. And then you have to select your faculty and your first choice of course. And you cannot select the language because the language is restricted for bachelor programs. And the faculty and the second option, this is option 2. We have two options. We can select two options and two categories, two faculties and two options. We have two options, so you can select two different subjects from different faculty or even from same faculty. We will select on next. After that, on the next page, personal information. Are you an ex-Medu graduate? If you are graduate, then you have to say yes here, but we are not graduated from Medina University, so I will say here no. Next, you have to select your higher education level, like it's bachelor or whatever you did last time, so you have to select that, or HSC or HSC. I'm selecting because I did intermediate, so I will select intermediate here. It was not available in the upper mode, that's why I select others. After that, I have to fill up all this form according to my own institution name. And the next, you have to choose your graduation year. After that, your CGPA or out of CGPA, grade out of CGPA. You can write your grade, or maybe you can write your CGPA, or you can write your percentage here. Depends on your mark sheet. Whatever is mentioned on your mark sheet, just write it there, out of total. And then specialization, like what was your specialization in your previous degree level. If it's not available here, just say others, not available. And if it's available your specialization, you can write it there. Language of study, if you studied in English, then write English. If any other language, then you can choose that. I studied in English, that's why I choose English. And your country of studies, and if you have a certificate of English proficiency, then you can choose any. If you don't have, then say no. I have IELTS certificate, so I will choose yes, and then IELTS. And then you have to enter your score here, whatever is your IELTS score. If you don't have an IELTS certificate, you can say no, and then press on next. After that, you have to enter your title, like master for a person, and then you have to write your name. In the second name, you have to write your Arabic name. I didn't write my Arabic name because of my keyboard, but you guys have to write the Arabic name here. And the next step, you have to write your date of birth here. Select your gender here, you're male or female. I will select male. And after that, in the next step, you have to choose your race, like you're an Asian nation, you're European, or whatever option matches with you, you have to choose that. After that, you have to choose your religion. And if you don't want to specify, there is an option of not specify, you can choose that one as well. And you can choose your citizenship as well. What is your citizenship? And after that, you have to click on next. And next, here you have to write your passport or ID card number. If you don't have a passport, you can use your ID number, like your CNIC number, identity card, passport. There are options for identity card as well. After that, you have to write the date of issue of your card or your passport. So date of issue and date of expiry. In the next section, you have to write the date of expiry of your passport. The month should be first, after that day, and after that year. I did a mistake here little bit, but you are not allowed to make any mistakes because you are filling your own form. And next section, you have to fill your informations here, like your email address, your phone number, and if you don't have a home phone number, you don't have to add that, but please enter your country code as well, because every country have their own code. So fill up your number with code. I just ignore it because I'm filling just temporary form, not like for really apply. So you have to take care of this. You have to fill along with your country code as well. Like for Pakistan, the country code is +92. So you have to fill up along with your country code. Next step is, do you want to receive notifications via WhatsApp? If you want to receive notifications on WhatsApp about your application status, then you have to choose yes. And the next step, you have to choose your country and the state or province. There are several provinces in each country, so you have to choose your own province and your address, city, your postal code, your street number, and your home address. And if you're living in another place and your home address is at another place, then you have to choose that address as well. But I'm living at the same place of my address, so I just choose that. My residential address is the same as the postal address. So we will click on next, and you have to choose options here. If you are a Malaysian citizen, then you have to choose your tax number, identification number, but we are not, so we will choose no. And the next, how do you know Al Madina International University? How do you know? From where did you listen? From a student? From who? You listen from me, so you can say from a friend, or maybe from marketing, from a YouTuber, from others. You can say anything here. It's your own choice. Even you can skip this option as well. It's not really mandatory. You guys can say others and can write YouTube channel and can write my name as well. So you can do like this as well. And the other section, you have to choose your first password. The Google suggests me this password, so I choose that. But you can choose any of your password of your choice, and not really much difficult, so that you forget your password. They will send you your password and your username on your email. Check that and write it here in the username section. You have to write your username. In the password section, you have to write your password and then log in to this portal. After logging in, you can see here you have to click on the admission option here. It's your personal information that you edit in the before we fill the form, and you have to upload all your documents here. You have to choose your documents. The first one, they said upload your passport photo with white background, certified true copy of your passport, and certified true copy of your academic transcript. You have to choose the name of the document as well. Whenever you uploading the document, you have to write the document name in this section as well. And like I'm uploading the personal photo, so I choose the personal photo and I write in that section as well. Click on next and then upload your passport here and write its passport. Write passport in that section and upload a passport. Your passport copy needs to be certified from or notarized. You can say it needs to be notarized. And in next section, you have to upload your IELTS score and your IELTS certificate as well here. In the next section, you have to upload your educational documents here. Result slip. Result slip means your transcript. You can upload your transcript here. In the next section, in the down one, you can upload your certificate, and you have to write your certificate name like HSSC certificate, O-level certificate, A-level certificate, whatever is the certificate, like your higher education certificate. And in the last section, certified true copy of academic transcript. In the last section, you have to upload a transcript which is certified, not the one that you have. It should be certified, means on the front side and the back side. You should upload both sides, and it should be certified as well from MOFA and from your board as well. After you upload all your documents here, then you will see the submit option in the last. You have to click on the submit option and your application will be successfully submitted. Thank you for watching. If you guys are facing any problem while submitting your application, then you can ask me in comment section. I will try to reach out everyone. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.